In this video, you'll learn how to build a software as a service application using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you understand how to navigate the platform effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by typing the URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI homepage, which features various options for getting started with the platform. Next, find and click on the prompt area. This is typically located prominently on the homepage. After clicking, a text input field will appear, allowing you to enter your query or command. Make sure the input area is active, as this will allow you to type your request. Now, type in the phrase "how to build SaaS." Ensure that you enter the text accurately, as this will guide Kimi AI in generating the appropriate responses. After entering the text, double check for any typos to ensure the best results. Once you have entered the phrase, click on the Enter button to submit your request. This button is usually located adjacent to the text input field. After you click Enter, you may notice a brief loading indicator which signals that Kimi AI is processing your request. After submitting your prompt, wait for Kimi AI to generate the response. This process may take a moment, depending on the complexity of your request and the current load on the system. During this time, it is important to remain patient as Kimi AI works to provide you with the information you need. Once the generation is complete, the results will appear on your screen. Review the output carefully to find the information necessary for building your SaaS application. This response will contain various insights and recommendations tailored to your initial query. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.